9.2 Angle classification. I can classify angles based upon their angle measures.
Thank you. All right, for vocab, we have a straight angle, which measures to 180 degrees, and acute angle, which measures less than 90 degrees. We have a right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees, obtuse angle, larger than 90 degrees, but smaller than 180. We have, oh, and we already did straight. We have perpendicular lines. Let's do intersecting lines first. We have intersecting lines, which are lines that intersect each other and they create special rules. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect, and they create four right angles. So that in itself is creating a special rule right there, right? If they're perpendicular, four right angles. You don't get that from any other intersecting lines. And number 7, we have congruent. Congruent means equal to, and note the symbol for congruent. All right, and then we talked about intersecting lines and the special rules. So we have 8 vertical angles. Vertical angles are opposite angles that are congruent. So angle 4 is congruent to angle 2. Angle 4 is a vertical, or angle 4 and angle 2 are vertical angles. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. They are congruent. If they're vertical angles, that means they have the same angle measure. Angle 1, if that is 30 degrees, as it says in your notes, angle 3 is also going to be 30 degrees. Did I say that right? Angle 1 is 30 degrees, so angle 3 is 30 degrees because they're vertical angles and because vertical angles are congruent. So now if we are looking for a missing angle, we're given, let's say we're given angle 1 is 110 degrees. We can find them in one of 2 ways. We know that a straight angle measures 180 degrees. So we could simply subtract 180 minus 110, and that would give us our answer. Or we know that there are 2 straight angles that make up our 4 angles. 180 and 180 is 360. Or as I demonstrated down here in your notes, it also makes a circle, which is also measures to be 360. And so you can subtract 180 or 110 from 180, get your answer. Or you could do 360 minus 110 plus 110, or minus 360 minus 110 minus 110, because you know vertical angles, so angle 3 would also be down there. And you would solve for your angle 4 or your angle 2, and then you simply can find your other angle through vertical angles. Number 9 is another example of how we did that. So you can see the work there, where we added the 2 angles together or just did 180 minus 75. Number 10. What is true of all the angles if line A is perpendicular to line B? The drawing got a little messy, so you might need to look back in your notes. Most of you should have written down all the rules that we did in class. If not, they're still up there, so you can do that still if you need to. So what is true? All angles are going to be 90 degrees. Why could they be 90 degrees? Well, 1, it's given that they're perpendicular. In the statement, it's given that they're perpendicular. You could say they are vertical angles. We'll label them like Mr. Ponder did. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, we were given, you could say perpendicular. For angle 3, we could say they are vertical angles. 2, we could have said we subtracted from 180, 90 from 180. And 4, we could say that we did 360 minus 180 because we added 90 together. All right, any questions for the video before we end it? Okay.